I am super excited to install this new antenna from VAGMI. The only thing that I supposedly need is a little wrench to get this off. So I'm super excited to see if I'm able to do it, because if I am able to do this, I can guarantee that you all are too, seeing as I am not a super handy person. So that's all you need to do to get it off. It's time for me to put my new VAGMI antenna in. What I love about this antenna is that it comes with everything that you need. So not only does it come with the antenna, but it also has this part on the inside that attaches right to your Jeep Wrangler and makes it super easy. Oh wow, look at that. It was that easy to, okay, if I can do this, anyone can do this. I love how flexible it can be, so if you're driving in the wind, it's not going to come off. It's definitely on there while definitely being able to move a little bit, but I am super excited to go inside and see how the radio works, because this will be the true test. So now that I have easily installed my antenna, let's see how the radio plays with this new one in. This is the station I usually listen to, and I am obsessed with how clear it sounds. But let's do a test to see if a station that's usually super staticky is a little bit clearer with this antenna. Oh wow. This station is always super staticky, so the fact that you can hear it super clearly is pretty insane. The fact that it's so easy to install, you don't need any tools, and the fact that it's super affordable, I mean, you can't really beat this product.